Hey guys, day 33 learning OpenGL to make my game engine. Today I implemented the grid, so relative to the object I can see how it acts upon the grid, so I can make further adjustments when I get more and more in-depth in terms of perspective and adding items into the world, so I have a specific layout I could place each item. As you can see, I can move the object, and as well I made it where I could just end up rotating it around. As you can see, it's not perfectly aligned in terms of rotation to the grid. However, I'm gonna fix that later on. Right now, I was just, of course, messing with like the sine cosine functions, just to keep on repeating myself so I could continue to understand what's happening. Because the more and more you do, you start to forget a little bit. But if you keep practicing everything little by little, it eventually becomes engraved into what you're doing. So you're just gonna keep on being able to process these things. So that's what I've just been doing, continuously implementing the sine cosine functions in terms of rotation. So whenever I need to rotate something, I have that skill obtained now. But yeah, that was pretty much what I did today, just having along the grid so it moves around. And I took out the actual frustum move where it ends up giving more perspective to it, just so I can move it side to side better. But yeah, that was basically day 33. And if you want to see some code I added, I made a grid shader and I added a fragment shader as well for the grid, just so it's specific to the coloring so I can make it green and such. I basically made an if statement based on the orientation of each line, so I could change the color. Just say for instance the vertical or horizontal line of the grid, I can change it using this shader right here. But yeah, that was pretty much for day 33.